My watchlist enables you to track performance at a glance, and this can be synced automatically across all your devices. In this video, we'll cover these topics: how to add a stock to your watchlist, how to organize your watchlist by group, and how to reorder items in a watchlist. There are two ways to add a stock to your watchlist. The first way is by typing its name or its ticker symbol. For example, if you would like to track the performance of Microsoft Corp, you can tap the search icon in the top right corner and type Microsoft or MSFT in the search field. As you're typing, the relevant results will appear in the drop-down list. Tap the gray heart icon to add the item to your watch list. When the icon goes red, it indicates the item has been added to your watch list, and you should receive a succeed reminder in the bottom left-hand corner. The second way is to access the stock's detailed quotes page. In the moomoo app, you have access to many useful information related to specific stocks. For example, you're able to track market performance as well as related news and post in the Moo community. Tap a specific stock highlighted in blue to access its detailed quotes page. If the stock is not currently in your watch list, you will see a gray heart icon in the top right-hand corner. Tap on the icon area, then tap the gray heart icon. As the icon goes red, it indicates you've successfully added the stock to your watch list. Next, here's how you can organize your watch list by group. The items in your watch list are sorted into several groups by default, and these are based on the markets where the items are traded in, such as US, Hong Kong, Singapore, and etc. You can customize your watch list by group. To do this, tap the three-line icon in the top right corner. Now, tap Edit to start customizing. You can tap a group name to display the group or hide it. Tap and hold the group name to drag it to a new position. And tap the Add icon and input a name to create a new customized group. When you're done, don't forget to tap Finish to save your settings. Now, here's how you can reorder items in a watch list. You can tap and hold any item in your watch list to activate bulk editing features. Tap the Edit button to start reordering. To move an item to the top of your watch list, tap the top button next to it. To move an item, tap and hold the three-line button and drag it to your desired position. And to delete items from your watch list, just check the items and tap Delete. When finished, tap Done or the back arrow to return to the quotes page. You're able to personalize the names of the items in your watch list. For example, tap and hold an item. When prompted, then select Remarks. Next, you can personalize the name of the item, for example, the lucky stock, and add a description to it. Proceed to tap Save when you return to quotes page. You can see the nickname of the specific stock instead of its official name. However, the sticker symbol will remain unchanged. Any changes of your watch list will be saved and synced automatically on all your devices.